Hi, this video covers ToonOffice's most powerful feature, Social Connect.
Connect your social accounts once, and your AI team posts content, replies to comments, and answers customer DMs automatically and for real.
It supports Facebook pages, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube all in one place. Let's walk through it step by step.
Open the social menu from your office. It takes you to the unified inbox. The top row has the Connect buttons: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube.
Tap a platform, log in once on its official page, and the badge flips to Connected.
No developer accounts, no app review paperwork. Permissions are handled for you behind the scenes.
Note, Social Connect is a monthly add-on. You can activate it right on this page, paid with in-game gold.
This is the unified inbox. Comments and DMs from every platform flow into one list, newest first. Use the tabs to filter: all, comments only, DMs only, or just the ones awaiting your reply. Tap a message, then hit the AI draft button. It writes an on-brand reply instantly. Edit it if you like, hit send, and the reply goes live on the real platform. Quick replies are built in too. Tap a chip to insert a saved answer. On the automation settings page, switch on auto reply for DMs and comments. Customers get an answer within seconds, anytime. The Train AI box matters most. Type your business info, prices, promotions, and what never to say. The AI follows it strictly. You can also set a welcome message for new customers, business hours, and an away message. Save canned answers here too. The AI reuses them for frequent questions. Everyone who DMs you becomes a contact automatically. The highlight: the AI reads the conversation and writes a one-line summary of what each customer wants.
Add your own notes, glance before you reply. Closing a sale gets much easier.
The broadcast page messages many customers at once: a new promotion, a restock, an announcement.
It only shows customers you can actually reach, those who messaged within the last 24 hours, per Meta's rules.
Turn on AI Personalize, and each customer gets a version written just for them. Prices and links stay exactly the same. Pick recipients, hit send. Done. Quotas tracked automatically. The Analytics page pulls numbers from every platform: followers, views, engagement. Check per post performance: likes, comments, shares, views, with a link straight to the live post. Up top is your 30-day activity: DMs in, comments in, and how many your team already answered. Finally, the part no other platform has: just tell your AI team what you want in plain words. Type in your office, make health content, and post it every morning at 9. The team sets up a real schedule, writes fresh content daily, and publishes it to your connected socials automatically. For Instagram, it even generates the accompanying image itself. To recap, connect once and you get a social media team that posts, replies, understands your customers, and reports the numbers around the clock. Start at ToonOffice.ai, hit the social button, and connect your first account today.